Yes, it is a little overcooked, I would say, on the outside. Still a little warm. I think I want to cut into it and see what it tastes like. Well, I'm wondering if it still didn't have enough liquid in it, because that's like it's all still not stirred in well. It's done. It looks good. It's hot. Butter. Tastes good. I need butter. Good morning. Good morning, Sammy. Is your sun bright? Oh, yeah, I'm eating some bread. Yeah, homemade bread I made yesterday. Yeah. Is that sun bright? Yeah. Gonna have me some homemade bread with some butter on it, and then I'm gonna eat a banana. I could eat them together and it'd be banana bread. I'll have one banana, or I'd make banana bread. So when I saw Rachel the other day, she gave us some salsa. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. And some homemade caramel sauce. Ooh, yeah. So I'm going to put that on the crust. And we'll put it in the microwave, warm it up just a tad. Warmed it up just a tad too much. I got to let it cool down now. That's good. So I brought a bunch of stuff from my Texas home base to my New Mexico home base. And I've been going through these totes. That one's empty and that one's empty. What I've been doing is, and some of these are keepsake stuff that I never got rid of. And these are 3 pieces. Let's see. 3 pieces of an artist that I used to collect a lot of his figurines. But my mom had this one. And this is all done by Tom Clark. And so I brought these. I'm going to have some bookshelves over there. Kind of decorative bookshelves, not just bookshelves, but some kind of shelves. So I brought these, kind of cleaning them up. They're a little dusty. And that bookshelf, 2 bookshelves should be here this week. This coming week, Thursday. I don't know. Y'all will see. Y'all will see. Don't know if I mentioned I got a kitchen island, I think is what they're called, but I'm going to use it as a kitchen countertop. And it has 1 long drawer and then some shelves and some side thingies, shelves. That's coming next week too. So anyway, I am just sitting here. Oh, what did I do with all that stuff that was in those tubs? Some of it went to the trash. I narrowed it down. Some of it, well, I put it in bigger totes. I'll show you. Right here, I have 6 totes and in my shed area, all empty. Well, now this one has something. And this one has something, but half of it's not used. So I went through it and got rid of everything kind of that I wanted to get rid of. A lot of this is keepsake stuff, scrapbookable kind of. So I might do a little scrapbooking of some of the stuff I grew up with and put that in like journal books. Scrapbooking, art books kind of stuff. This one's empty. Yeah, this is a blank wall. I don't know that I'm going to use these walls for anything. So, you know that, what was it? That gas station store in Quartzsite that I went in, it had stuff all over the walls. Well, he took us to his personal building, and it was a huge building, and he had all his stuff he loved on the walls. And so I may be I may be doing that myself, hanging some. Back in the day, I was a huge Joe Montana fanatic, and I collected all his memorabilia, so I have some of that with me. And so it's cheap stuff, nothing, the little figurine dolls and stuff like that. They may be going up on the wall. And just other little stuff postcards that I've collected. My mom and dad went to Alaska. I have a postcard from there. I might just kind of decorate my walls with memorabilia. I've showed this before because I talked about how junky it is, and I didn't really spend a lot of time last summer doing anything here just because I wasn't sure how I wanted to do it, if I wanted to decorate, if I wanted to, who knows, sit somewhere for a while and then figure it out. So one shelf is going to be all my cooking appliances, and this is in the shed part of my casita. For now, I don't know that it will end up in the kitchen part. We'll see when I get the island, but right now I'm going to put all my kitchen stuff there. This is still my time to go bag. I mean, not like stuff that I take out of the camper or the truck. I put it on this shelf, which the stuff does not belong there right now. I moved it to put that stuff there. But I have a bunch of junk and screws and blah in this area right now. And I have that little tool satchel, I'll show you, that Deborah gave me last year that we got at the thrift store. I'm going to put all that in there right now. Here's another cast iron. Yeah, see, I'm going to take some of this is one I got in Quartzsite, I think. Hang it up on the wall. Yeah. Because it's sitting here, it's just taking up space. But I love my cast iron, so I can't get rid of it. And this cool pot. I love this thing. Hang that up there. That's cool. Get it off this shelf. Alright, so I'm doing this a little bit today because I'm just in that organizing mood. And so I've got these totes back up in here. Plus I have those plastic totes. What did I do with them? That I could utilize on these shelves if I need to. These smaller ones. Yeah, I could put these on the shelf. Let's see. See, like that. And I have 2 of those, so I could put some stuff in them if I need to. So, yeah, let's organize this a little better. Maybe a week in progress, but we're going to get started. Have my fan plugged in and going. My little small pressure cooker. I'm going to cook some beans, I think, today, so we can have some bean burritos for breakfast. Actually, I've got some beans right here. Yeah, those were free beans. Yeah, sometimes the senior center brings food out here for us, and this was one of those bags, so free food. And I got 3 onions from there. They had boxes of macaroni and cheese, and I just don't need any of those, so. But I did take 3 onions. I think they had 2 10-pound bags. I don't even know how big, 20-pound bags. I don't know. Of onions. And I took 3 of those. But anyway, back to organizing. I'm going to go get that bag I'll start putting all that in there because this is just wasted, spread out space right now that I could be using it to organize.